Very good evening, students. In this video we are going to discussing about that what are the requirements we are using for that gram staining. For gram staining, the main requirement is smear. This is a curd smear we are using for gram stain isolation of a bacteria by method called as gram staining. This is a curd smear. Then second one is spirit lamp. This is a spirit lamp we are using for that heat fixation, and this is a crystal violet stain, and this is a gram iodine reagent, and this one is a 95% ethanol, and this one is a saffron stain solution. These are the chemicals and reagents we are using during that isolation of bacteria by gram staining method.
మీరు చేసినట్టు చెప్పండి.
First, take a clean glass slide and make it dry by using blotting paper, and then put a drop of smear on it, that is curd smear. Drop, or it may be 2 drops, and spread it all over the glass slide. Take a clean glass slide and put a drop of a smear on it, and make a air dry for half minute. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಮಿಯರ್ನ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಏರ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ದೆನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಮಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಎ heat, that is spirit lamp. By using spirit lamp you have to fix that smear on a glass slide. First you should make a air dry, then you have to pass it over a clean glass. After air dry you have to pass the slide through the spirit lamp. By using spirit lamp you have to make a heat dry by passing it on over a flame. ಆ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಸ್ಲೈಡನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿರಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸೇಷನ್. Just pass that glass slide over the spirit lamp, that is flame. Like this you have to make a hair dry and heat fixation. After air dry you have to make a heat fixation for the slide. And after heat fixation you have to apply this is the first step. You are applying reagent, that is which is the first reagent means that is crystal violet stain. You have to apply with using that bottle only. There is no need of using a dropper. By using that bottle only you have to apply that crystal violet stain on a glass slide. Then leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. Just put a slide for a side for 2 minutes. That's enough.
చేయండి. 5 సెకండ్లు ఉందాం.
Okay, after applying that crystal violet stain you have to wash with water.
ఇది యాంగిల్లో పెట్టాలి.
Yes.
యాంగిల్లో పెట్టాలని చెప్పండి.
Keep that slide in a slant manner and then apply that water. By slowly applying water, you have to wash the slide. That excess of crystal violet stain is removed off by this process. See how that sir has washed that slide. Like that way only you have to wash the slide by applying water. This is the second step. First step is applying of crystal violet stain. Then second one is washing of that crystal violet stain by using wash bottle.
చెప్పండి నెక్స్ట్.
Third step is applying of grams iodine with the help of dropper. By using dropper, you have to apply that grams iodine reagent onto the slide. Where that smear is present, on that part only you have to apply that grams iodine reagent. Apply that grams iodine reagent on the slide where that smear is present. On that space only you have to apply that reagent and keep it for 1 minute. This is the third step. After washing that crystal violet stain with water, then you have to apply grams iodine. This is the third step.
స్టార్ట్.
And leave it for 1 minute.
ఓకేనా? చెప్పండి.
After 1 minute of applying grams iodine reagent, you have to wash that slide with water. By applying water only, you have to wash the slide. After adding grams iodine solution, you have to wash the slide to remove that grams iodine. Excess of grams iodine ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ you have to wash the slide. While washing, you have to keep the slide in a slant manner.
స్టార్ట్.
Okay, after washing the grams iodine reagent with water, then you have to apply 95% ethyl alcohol or ethanol.
Here we are using ethanol 90%.
We are using that 95% ethanol. We are providing that all that reagents. You have to follow the steps. Apply the 95% ethanol to the slide to remove the excess of grams iodine reagent. If grams iodine reagent present in a excess manner, means for that removal you have to use that 95% ethanol. By adding drop by drop, you have to remove the excess of grams iodine solution.
ఫాస్ట్లో పెట్టి వచ్చి మళ్ళీ లాస్ట్లో ఫైనల్ అని చెప్పండి.
After washing that slide with ethanol, you have to apply saffronin stain solution to the slide. By directly
స్టాప్.
you can add that stain directly by using bottle only. Here there is no need of using a dropper. By using that bottle only you can apply that saffron stain onto the slide and leave it for 1 minute. After the completion of 1 minute, you have to wash the slide with water by using wash bottle only. By using wash bottle, you have to wash the slide to remove that saffron stain, excess of saffron stain. This is the last step. This is the last step in a Gram's iodine experiment. Gram staining experiment. Apply the water very slowly onto the slide.
Leave it for air dry.
After washing the slide, leave it for air dry and remove the excess of water by using blotting paper. By using that blotting paper, you have to remove the excess of water present on a slide. First, you have to wash the slide by using blotting paper on underside. Slide ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್. Very carefully you have to remove the excess of water. While removing this one, you have to very careful, otherwise it will gone. Okay, after this step, after washing the slide with water, you have to air dry the slide like this. You have to make a air dry of a slide. ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಆ ವಾಟರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಡ್ರೈ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡಿ. After that completion of a air dry, how that slide looks means, see, like this, that slide is appeared.
The debris should be available on this.
That bacteria will be present on this smear only, on this region only. Okay, after that completion of air dry, you have to
observe under microscope.
You have to observe the slide under microscope and identify the bacteria.